Before we begin this video, there are some things that I would like to draw to your attention. The first being Ethereum's price history. If you look here, you will see that in 2015, Ethereum was $1.25. Now remember, when Ethereum was launched, it was launched at the price of $2.17 and it dropped to $1.25 later. Now it also dropped again to 66 cents. And then it went up to 95 cents and then to 86 cents. It came back to 86 cents and back to 96 cents. And then in January 2016, it went up to $2.48. From there, in February 2016, it went to $6.56. In March, it was $11.91 and so forth. You see that it keeps on dropping and increasing, dropping and increasing. But if you follow it all through, you will see that it is a gradual increase. It increases and decreases, but generally it increases because now we are at $4,000. Now, this price history means that if you invested $1,000 in Ethereum when it was like at 66 cents, you will have about 1,500 Ethereum. Times the price of Ethereum now will be $6.5 million. So for someone who invested here at say 66 cents and Ethereum went to say $11, to that person, he was in total profit. But look at where Ethereum is now. What is this trying to teach us? That we should be patient with our investments. There is another thing I would want to draw to your attention. These are the top cryptocurrencies in the year 2020, last year. And here you can see that XRP was the third. They are arranged in order of market cap. Now, market cap is the total dollar value of a given cryptocurrency. That is how much money has been invested in that crypto. So when the market cap doubles, your investment also doubles. For your investment to double, the market cap also has to double. And the market cap is given by price times circulating supply. Hope that is clear. This is another one, and you can see that they are always changing by the year. So these cryptocurrencies in the top 10 list by market cap are not stuck there. They can be replaced by another one that the money seems to go more to. So Shiba Inu is only number 9 now because the money is going more to Shiba Inu. But overall, Bitcoin has always been the first. Now, why am I showing you all of this? It is because I want you to understand that we are in a volatile market. So, before I tell you about this crypto that I think will be in that top 10 list someday and will likely stay there for a very long time, I would want you to know that I am no financial or investment advisor. All that I'm doing here is just to contribute to your education. None of this is supposed to be taken as financial or investment advice. If you need someone to tell you where to put your money, take your phone and call a financial advisor. Now that has been said, let us move on. I strongly believe that Stratos will be in the top 10 cryptocurrencies someday. Now I say someday to emphasize that it will not be soon, not anytime soon. Why, you might ask? Because we are headed for doom next year. It is most likely that we will have a bear market next year. Now, nothing is guaranteed with crypto. We may as well not have a bear market, but it is most likely that we will have a bear market. And I personally think that it can be sooner or later than anticipated by many people. However, I'll be giving you updates as time goes on. So, to understand this, we have to understand the fundamentals behind Bitcoin and Ethereum. You see, Bitcoin was made for decentralizing finance. By this, I mean, if you have not watched my video on blockchain and Bitcoin or crypto evolution, you may go on my channel and check it out. But by that, I mean that Bitcoin was made as a payment system where people can send money to each other without the need of a third party, i.e. the bank. So this means we can utilize blockchain technology to send money to each other without the need of a bank. Because as long as we have a bank, we will have to pay them for enabling our transaction. And we will also have to just trust that the banks will not do anything fishy with our money or with our information. So this is what Bitcoin was, and now Bitcoin is being used as a store of value. So people convert their money or their gains from other cryptos into Bitcoin to keep the value of the money. So basically, that is Bitcoin. So Ethereum is a more advanced usage of blockchain technology. So instead of just exchanging, say, funds, Ethereum was made to be more like a decentralized form of the internet. So when you invest in Ethereum, know that you're investing in something that can literally become the internet of tomorrow. So basically what Ethereum is a platform where you can build your own apps, like applications. So they call them decentralized applications or dApps. Now, these applications do not need anyone's permission, which means anyone, literally anyone, can build these applications on Ethereum. This is why there are many cryptos out there that are just scams and rug pulls, because they do not need anyone's permission to build them on Ethereum. And worst of all, no one can take them down. So your application is only tied to you. No one can take it down and no one can do anything to it. And these rug pull cryptos are those that give cryptocurrency in general a bad name. So that is Ethereum, a platform where anyone can build anything. Now the ETH, the ticker symbol for Ethereum, which is the means of payment on that network, is what you use to pay for the fees for building anything on Ethereum or for any transaction on Ethereum. Now, you might have been asking yourself, what does all of this have to do with Stratos, and why did you have to understand Bitcoin and Ethereum only to get to Stratos? Here is why. You see, one more thing that is yet to be completely decentralized is data storage. And Stratos is the cryptocurrency that is trying to be at the forefront of this. Now, there are other cryptocurrencies like Theta and Arweave that are also storage cryptocurrencies. But here is why I think Stratos has a very high competitive advantage. This man, yes, you heard that right, this man, his name is Bin Zhu. Now you might be like, who is this man and why does he even matter? You see, as I was doing my research on this cryptocurrency, I came across this man and I found out that this man, the cloud department founder of MindGeek. Now, what is MindGeek and what does it have to do with Stratos? So MindGeek is the parent company of Pornhub. I guess everyone watching this video knows about Pornhub. So he founded the cloud department for data storage of MindGeek. So he has been in the data storage industry for a long time. He also worked as a developer and development leader in Huawei for 6 years. So this guy has a lot of experience, and as I followed up, he has plus 20 years in the software industry. Now, why am I saying all this? You always have to understand that the first thing you should be looking at in any project is the founder. Without knowing who the founder is, you are risking a lot. Most cryptos do not present their founders or team for fear of the public. But with this crypto, we know the founder and the team. So what Stratos is trying to do is decentralize data storage itself. The video you're watching right now is coming from YouTube's server. Like, you are not watching this video directly from me. So one of the biggest dangers with having a centralized server is it has a single point of failure. If someone could hack into Instagram's server, then that person can easily manipulate your information. And you have to remember that each time you send a message to someone on Instagram, what you're doing is you're sending the message through Instagram to that person. So it's not going from you directly to the person, but it's going through a medium. And that medium here is Instagram. So we have a single point of failure. So Stratos' take on this is to decentralize this data storage. Of course, when data is decentralized, it will mean that we will have faster download and upload speeds. 3 days ago, Stratos' founder was having an interview on Stratos' official channel. I will leave a link to it down below if you may want to watch. So Stratos' token Stratos is used for everything on Stratos. It should be noted that Stratos does not have a mainnet yet. As of now, they only have a test net, so they are still on Ethereum. They are still an ERC20 token. And as they say, by early next year, the mainnet will be live. So what is the tokenomics and price potential for Stratos? When I last covered this crypto, it was at $1.60. And now it's at $2.27. And that's a big drop. So in the past 30 days, it has gone down by a factor of 13%. Its all-time high was at $1.93. So it is yet to break the $2 mark. The market cap is at $17 million. And the fully diluted market cap is at $128 million. That's 0.128 billion. The volume is $700,000. Now this is very small, which is not a good thing. The total supply and the maximum supply are the same, 100 million. Now the circulating supply here is not correct on CoinMarketCap, because if we go to the chain analytics, we will see that the circulating supply is 15 million instead of 13, and even the market cap is 20 million instead of 17. This means you should always come to info on Etherscan, because this is where you will get the most accurate information. And so for the price potential, now remember, I am looking at this crypto from the long-term perspective. If Stratos was to equal Filecoin by market cap, it will be about a 380x. What I want you to understand is crypto follows narratives. For example, we saw Ethereum go up. After Ethereum, we saw Solana, we saw Avalanche, we saw Algorand. Now we are seeing Polkadot, and I've been talking about Polkadot for a long time. In my other video for large cap cryptos that I was suggesting, Polkadot was the second after Chainlink. And remember, Chainlink is what most of these cryptos will need. So do not miss out on Chainlink, with no financial advice, of course. We have also seen meme coins go up in the past couple of days. Now, this started by Shiba Inu, and we have seen Flocky, we are seeing others going up, and most of them, of course, are rock pools. If I was to invest in any coin that seemed like a meme coin for now, would be Saitama and Evergrow. Now, Evergrow is not a meme coin. Saitama is not also a meme coin. Saitama was first named Saitama Inu, but was changed to Saitama. So they are both out of the meme coin category. So those are the two coins that I would suggest. And these coins, I believe, can literally take your dollar or your $100 and multiply it by 10 in a very short time. Another two that I could suggest would be Crypta and Veta. But do your own research before you invest in any of these coins that have very low market caps. They can easily evaporate at any time. Facebook talked about their transformation from a social media to a metaverse company. And from that, we have seen metaverse cryptocurrencies rally. So you can notice that at first we saw smart contract cryptocurrencies rally. We also saw meme coins rally. Now we are seeing metaverse cryptocurrencies rally. And I've said that NFT cryptocurrencies will greatly be affected by the rally of metaverse cryptocurrencies. And just a side note here, the other day Elon Musk tweeted that if the UN can show proof that $6 billion can solve the hunger problem for 42 million people, he will sell Tesla stock and give the UN. Now, the key term there is proof. What type of cryptocurrency can be used in this type of scenario? Supply chain cryptocurrency. And what is the best one? V-Chain. So you see that the idea is investing in a cryptocurrency before its narrative comes along. If you invest in the crypto and as soon as it goes down in price, you sell, when its narrative will come along, you will not have any of it to sell at a higher price. So it is better to buy before its narrative. Nothing has happened as of now that immediately needed decentralized storage cryptocurrencies. When that time will come, all or most of the decentralized storage cryptocurrencies will rally. Now, the one that will be best, and keep in mind this is the same reason why Solana out-rallied the other smart contract cryptocurrencies. The one that will rally the most will be the one that offers lower fees and is faster, because at the end of the day, it is about use case. So this is a little comparison between Stratos and its fellow competitors. So we see that Stratos has a blockchain together with Chia network. Stratos is a storage cryptocurrency and Theta does not store data. Now, Stratos has a database and none of them do. Computation network, only Stratos has that. Now, decentralized CDN. Now, we'll come back to CDN in a bit. And commercial data processing, only Stratos has that. Here we can see the market cap comparison. Stratos is the lowest. And this is an older chart, but it stands the same. Stratos is still the lowest in all of them. So what is CDN? CDN is Content Delivery Network. Remember we said that YouTube only has one server? Now the issue with this server is not only security, but also speed. If you have ever tried uploading or downloading a video from YouTube, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. So with Stratos, they will have geographically distributed servers. This will solve the problem of both security and scalability. I will also leave a link to the Stratos white paper down below, but it is 49 pages and I had to read it before I made this video, which is why some people have been asking me why I'm not making a video for Stratos. So leave a like and a subscribe, of course, for this video if you appreciate that I read 49 pages just to make a single YouTube video. Anyway, so that is Stratos. Now, let me level down with all of you. I believe this project is a very great project and it is a good project in the long term. The founder is great, the team is great, the fundamentals of the project itself is also incredible. But do not think it will go to $1,000 tomorrow. I personally think it will still drop and I'll be dollar cost averaging my way into it as it drops. Because I think this project will revolutionize the way data is being stored. I really believe in this project and I think it will do really well in the long run. So do not hurry and jump into it. Always remember that dollar cost averaging is the best way to invest in any asset. Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you did understand and I also hope you learned one new thing today. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions for me. If you have anything to say, leave it down below. And even consider sharing the video to a friend. And most of all, do not forget to subscribe with your notifications on. There are many videos online telling people that if you had only invested $1,000 in this crypto, say a year ago, this is how much you will have now. I don't want to be the guy that gets to come back in the future and tell people that I already talked about this crypto 5 years ago. I do a lot of research before I make a video on any crypto, so do not miss any of these videos that I will be bringing on this channel. So always remember, the little investment that you do today will be a mammoth gift to your future self.